Today I decided to make a chicken dish as I'm working in the flower bed all day and I don't have time later. So I am just cutting up some potatoes, and these are going to be cut in bite-sized pieces. And then I'll just add them to a greased 9x13 casserole dish. So we'll add the, it's about 4 medium potatoes. So I'll add those. And then I'll add about 2 cups of fresh or frozen green beans. My oven is already preheated to 375. I'm also gonna sprinkle some olive oil and some salt and pepper on the vegetables. A good amount of pepper, for me anyways. And then some salt. I'm not going to put too much salt because I'm adding more ingredients that have salt in them. And then you can put your chicken breasts on top of your potatoes and beans. Now I have filleted mine because I like the thinner chicken breast, but you don't have to. All right, we're going to set this aside and make our sauce, which is cream of mushroom soup, onion soup mix, and just a half a can of milk. And we'll mix this up really good. I'm using a whisk because I want to break up the soup. I love using onion soup mix because there's a whole bunch of different flavors, including the onions in one package. So now we're going to set this aside. Bring the chicken and vegetables back and pour this over the entire casserole dish. Just want to make sure everything's covered with the sauce so I get even cooking. And now we're going to cover with either a lid or foil and bake at 375 for about 45 minutes. When your 45 minutes is up, then, oh, that looks delicious. Uncover your casserole. I'm going to give a little stir to the vegetables. Just checking for tenderness. I'm going to add some cheese over top. It's about 1 cup of cheese. I am using marble cheese, which is half cheddar, half mozzarella. And I'm just going to spread it over top of the chicken. And then I'll put it back in the 375 oven for about 10 or 15 minutes, or until the chicken is done at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, it's been in the oven for about 15 minutes. Let me check the temperature. I want it 165 or warmer. Looks like we got a winner. What about this guy? Gotta find the right spot. Looks like it's finished. Now, I'm gonna add a couple red pepper flakes just because I like a little bit of spice. And then we're gonna let it rest for about 5 minutes before I cut into it. Let all the juices just relax after cooking. Oh, it's so moist, you guys. Check potatoes. The potatoes are so soft. Look at that. They're so soft. This dish turned out amazing. Now you could serve this with fresh dinner rolls or tossed salad. Now, question for you. Would you use a different carb in here? Like, would you use rice instead? Or would you use pasta? I just want to know, maybe for next time. I think the potatoes are probably the way to go. But, I don't know. I'm just wondering what you guys would use. Anyway, guys, let me know if you made this. And we'll see you next time. I thought I would share some of my just planted flower pots.